When new back teeth come out in kids and teenagers, these teeth have very narrow fissures and deep pits. So these narrow fissures and pits trap food and bacteria which hide in these spaces and lead to the development of cavities. Even kids who brush regularly with the proper brushing technique are unable to clean these spaces. This is the reason why kids and teenagers develop cavities on their chewing surfaces of the back teeth. Did you know that dental sealants reduce the risk of developing cavities in your permanent back teeth by up to 80% in the first 2 years and by 50% in the first 5 years? Hello everyone, I am Dr. Shubha. Today I will be showing you the step-by-step procedure of how dental sealants are applied on the biting surface of your teeth, and I will also answer questions regarding what dental sealants are, do they hurt, are they safe, how long do they last, the cost versus the benefits, and who should go for these sealants. Dental sealants are thin, transparent or white coatings which are applied on the chewing surface of your back teeth. They act like a protective shield for your teeth so that bacteria or food particles cannot enter, and hence cavities do not form easily. Dental sealants are totally safe. They have been used in dentistry for the past few decades. They are very cost effective and the most powerful and least known dental procedures. Dental sealants are much cheaper compared to a filling or a root canal or a teeth replacement. Dental sealants can last for 3 to 5 years. They should be checked every now and then to see if they are worn out, and they should be reapplied. Dental sealants can be applied at the years of 6 when the child develops their first back teeth which is permanent, which is called the first permanent molar. They can also be applied when the child is around 12 years, when the second permanent back teeth erupts, and this is known as the second permanent molar. They can also be applied for teenagers who have deep grooves, and also for adults who are at higher risks of developing cavities. Hope this video is helpful. Please like, share and subscribe.